Guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, ICT School. Today we are going to learn about small thing about Google, but something special that is called GHDB, Google Hacking Database. And actually, you can find a lot of queries. It's like a set of queries which you can use in Google to find out the mistakes, basically find out the mistake, errors, issues, maybe usernames, passwords. Likewise, you can find many details about many things, many people. Actually, it's like you get data which is not intended to give you. So those are not public. Sometimes those are publicly available, but due to some mistake, right? That is, you can find those things easily using GHDB. So see the results in Google Hacking Database. You can see the exploit DB, it comes number one, and you can go and learn about these queries a lot. I'll teach you few queries, just few queries, which you can use to do some useful things, useful searches actually. I'm not going to teach you hacking because hacking is anyway illegal. So let's search how to use this to do something useful. Maybe you can use this with your knowledge and to do some kind of hacking, but that is not really ethical. So you have to think about your country law, as well as you have to think about ethical factors before misusing that. But I'll definitely teach you some useful facts. Right, one thing. So if you want to find out a specific file type, you can go to Google and search like this. So for an example, if you are searching for a PowerPoint file, you can just, let's say you are searching about Sigiriya, a PowerPoint file. Then you can just go to this and search Sigiriya, and then you can say file type pptx, and it will list out all the PowerPoint files, all the public PowerPoint files which is related to Sigiriya. So you can just click and download, right click on this, and you can just save the link as, then it will download the particular PowerPoint file. So all the files that you are getting are PowerPoint files. You can just save it right here, pptx. Say Sri Lanka parents presentation something, right? So you can save any file like this, and this will be useful for teachers sometimes because they just want to do few works when preparing presentation. If you are lazy teacher, so what you can do is you can just Google it and you can edit the presentation, right? Let's say you want to search about data structures and algorithms, data structures and algorithms. You can search like this, and all the data, it should be data, all the files that you're going to find is related to data structures and algorithms. Those are from different places, universities, right? You can just uh, click on the URL this and save this as a PowerPoint file. So one thing more, so since this showing lecture 1.pptx, you can think further, think further. There can be lecture 2, lecture 3, lecture 4. So likewise, so you can just copy the link and see whether you can access other files. Let's paste it and let's remove this part. I'm going to remove these. You can see now the lecture 1 part, and I'm going to just access the folder. Yes, it worked. So you can see all the lectures you can download there, right? It's something like that. Sometimes mistaken. This is actually a mistake done by web developers. Sometimes it's purposely it's there because they want to share this with us. Otherwise, maybe a mistake, right? Anyway, you can just search. And so this can be applicable for movies even. If you want to download a movie, you can just go to Google and search. Let's say I just want to find out movies in 2019 movie, and I just want to search in title colon within quotation index of. Okay, we list out all the folders which is having this index of title. In title index of means it's a server folder. You can see a lot of movies, you can download. Just go inside and right click save it as. You can download those movies directly without worrying. And here you can see this is some another site, and that is not basically what I expect. Here this is Iranian site, seems IR. This just go and see these things: Hollywood, Bollywood, Collywood, anything you can download. Right here you can see some more links, some more links, some more links. Okay, you can download if you have data, enough data. You can try this. Right. Next, okay, now you know how to search Google and get this information. This is actually how I learned this through Google Hacking Database. There are more, but this only few. Right, let's say you want to download a software. I want to download Windows. Of course, Windows 10, this is not illegal. You can download Windows 10 for free, that for sure. But the thing is, it's illegal to use this with a crack. So you can download Windows for free, of course, obviously. But you have to pay for the license. That is the genuine way of doing that. But I'm not going to suggest you illegal ways. But anyway, if you want to quickly download something, Windows 10, just go and browse some of these links. Maybe you can find some ISOs. Yes, you have some ISOs. And just go up and you can see a lot of resources. Even the server versions are there, XP is there, Office versions are there, and Windows 98, Me 95 is wonderful. Windows 3.1, 2000, and Windows 2.0. A lot of things. Yes, Windows 1. Who is that? Right, you can see. Just browse the folders and see Windows 3, 3.1, the old versions, which we enjoyed a lot. Just 4 megabyte version of Windows 3. Wow, I can remember my old days. Yes, and this, yes, it has Windows 10, the recent version. Let's go to the parent directory and you can see a lot of resources. Yes, that's it. And I think this journey will be wonderful with Google Hacking Database GHDB. So the next thing, okay, let's say this is, okay, I said not to say that, but I want to say this because so will be interesting. You can just go, but misuse. Don't misuse. Okay, you can just search in text. I just want to find out in text. Okay, add in text, add gmail.com. Okay, some Gmails and in text at gmail.com. Some password, suppose in text. Say password. I don't know. So just search. Oh, some. But let's search for some. Let's search for some SQL files. Why don't we search for SQL files? File type SQL. Okay, you'll get some backup SQL backups. Oh, GitHub. Okay, I can see here. Okay. Some leader like this. Okay, these are some. This is from GitHub. GitLabs, no. Yeah, this is okay. So again, some SQL file. You can see here. Okay, some backup SQL files with Gmail's usernames and passwords. Oh, at gmail.com, some SQL, no need for password. I just want to find out some emails. Okay, which is from specific country, maybe site colon LK. Okay, I got some of the data, some files, SQL files from Sri Lanka. And if I want text files, txt, okay, now you can find text files having emails. If you want Excel files having emails, it is XLS. Okay, you can, what is that? Sri Lankan trigger? Something wrong with that. Just right click, save link as, just download the Excel file, and here it is. Let's download the Excel file. And guys, you can see this Excel. Okay, I just want to keep the file. So let's open, and you can see it's dangerous. Ooh, let's close. Right. So that's it. So it's not good to always. So I always tell the first rule: agree with your country rule, be ethical. Otherwise, you will ruin your own life. Right? So no limit in the internet. No limit in the internet. So all the users are not knowledgeable. That is called digital bridge. But don't misuse that, and don't try to fire other people, because internet is a wonderful weapon, but don't use it to kill others. Right? Okay. Next thing. So likewise, you can find lot of data, lot of information. You can dig for lot of information, right? So there's no limit. So for an example, if you want address database, you can quickly find the address database in this way. If you want, let's say, if you want telephone numbers, you can quickly find telephone numbers this way. If you want specific files, yes, you can find. You can, if you want movies, you can find. If you want password, usernames, you can find. If you need sample data to work with, you can find. If you want zip folders having some sample data, you can find. Likewise, you can do many things with this. Right? I invite you to look further, learn, and share if you have any new ideas, complaints, compliments, everything. Thank you very much. Let's meet again with a new video. Good luck. Happy hunting.